So after simple present, I'm going to explain you present continuous tense, which is called present progressive tense as well. Don't get confused in the name. It's damn easy, but students generally get confused in simple present and present continuous while speaking, while writing. So I'll tell you one thing that how you will actually recognize it. Simple present action is always daily action, universal action, whatever we keep doing every day, like you go to school, your father goes office, your mama gets up early in the morning. These are the daily action, so they are considered simple present. Getting present continuous means like you are doing that action is going, at the time of speaking. As you can see in the sentences, they are playing cards. Okay, Rohit is reading a newspaper and something which is going on. You can use still also here, like he's still sleeping, the president is arriving tomorrow, she's flying. So whatever the action which is going right now, okay, that is called, and it is actually describing a temporary action as well, as you can see in the D point, right? And in the second point you can see that to express some annoying habit also. You can say, oh, look at him, he's always telling lie, he's never listening me, she's always complaining. So again the sound is, the thing is going, right? Something is going, the action is going on. And here the helping verb is, am, are. It's very easy. I think you have been learning this tense since childhood, and I've noticed that it's my learner favorite one. Whenever I'm trying to teach them like present perfect continuous, simple present, they always make present continuous tense. So I think like present continuous is the talk of the town, is the hero of the tenses. You can call the hero of the tenses. It's very easy to learn. Mama is calling me, papa is going office, my teacher is teaching, my siblings are doing mischief, I'm doing my assignment. So it's damn easy. And you can use still here with present continuous. So I'm repeating two tenses we have done. Simple present helping verb is don't, doesn't, verb first form, and the present continuous helping verb is, am, are, and verb first form plus ing, and the actions are going on. So I'll be coming with the next tense. Keep learning, happy learning, and just don't hype that the tenses are rocket science. It is as easy as anything. It's a piece of cake if you keep working hard. And just mention some sentences on in comment, mention in comment that what sentences you are making on simple present, present continuous. Happy learning. Stay in tune.